So there's a biological dilemma when it comes to maturity. If we're going to define maturity by the brain finishing development, then we run into a huge problem. Because look at this data here about what it says about brain development. So this right here says that the brain finishes developing between the mid to late 20s. This becomes a huge problem for survival of a species if we use this as the primary metric to define who an adult is and when someone can make their own decisions about who they get married to. Because remember, marriage is primarily about a man and a woman getting together for the purpose of building a family and procreation. Now look at this right here. This right here says that the prime reproductive years for a female human is late teens to late 20s. So we'll just go with 18 to 28. So 18 to 28 is the prime reproductive years. If we go and take the age that the brain matures, now we're looking at 25 to 28. You have, and some of them don't finish at 25. Some of them might be finishing at 28. Some might be finishing at 29. You're basically killing the prime reproductive years to say the brain is when we should call someone an adult, while we disregard the biological process of reproduction. So which is it? Should we go by the prime years of reproduction, or should we go by when the brain matures? If we go by when the brain matures, should we stop requiring 18-year-olds to sign up for the draft or be eligible for the military until after the brain matures? Because you do that, then suddenly you're going to have soldiers that are starting to have other physical declines. So which is it? Should we define adult as the way the law currently does it, or should we define adult by whenever the brain is done maturing, which means anyone under the age of 30 is pretty much not an adult if we define it that way?